This short video will explain how to set up a backup archive channel storing all your streams over on YouTube. Not that many know that there is a built-in feature in Twitch that you can export your VODs directly if you connect your YouTube channel to it. To connect your Twitch to an archive YouTube channel, click on Settings, Connections and add it here. If you already have another channel, you first have to disconnect that one. The connection is only used for exporting VODs. You will not break anything by doing this. If you change your mind, you can always disconnect and connect another channel later. All done. Easy peasy. I recommend creating a new brand account over on YouTube, so you can keep your VOD archives separate if you have any highlight channels or similar. To create a brand new YouTube channel for your archiving needs, either search for YouTube channel switcher or follow the link in the description. From this panel you can create a new channel. Choose a fitting name for your new YouTube brand account. Something like your regular channel name plus VOD archive. After creating the new YouTube brand account, you need to verify your phone, otherwise you won't be able to upload any videos longer than 15 minutes. You can do this here under the channel settings panel. On the permissions tab is where you can delegate responsibility to other people to help you out and run the channel. If you have any trusted mods or editors over on Twitch, for example, you can grant them the position as manager and editor here as well. If you do not trust them completely, you can give them a limited editor role. Then they can only upload and edit, but they are not able to delete any videos. You invite them by specifying their email account. After it has been sent, they need to accept it. One thing to keep in mind with YouTube is that you should highlight your VODs to be below 6 hours long before you export them. Otherwise it can cause issues and you won't be able to use the copyright tools to mute sections or replace audio. These are very powerful and useful if you get any copyright claims. So try to always keep your videos below 6 hours before you export them. You probably already know this, but to reach your video manager, you hit the video tab and edit videos, and you'll get the video producer on the dashboard. Over here you can click on VODs and either hit export or highlight. So if you need to highlight them to be below 6 hours, drag and select the first section, and I'll name this one, let's see, March 20th 2021 part 1 of 2, and then I can click here and get the second part. There we go. If I hit publish highlight now, it will create 2 different highlights and split the VOD in 2. After you've highlighted the video to be below 6 hours long, click the 3 dots at the corner here and hit export. Here you can also give it another name when you're sending it to YouTube. Remember to never split the video into multiple segments. This is also glitchy and I do not recommend it. After you've hit export and go over to the YouTube side of things, visit your studio and you should see that the VOD is processing. Processing can take a while, especially if the VOD is 60 FPS or full HD. Then you can expect the processing to take from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on the length. One thing to keep in mind if you're a Twitch affiliate or partner is that in your contract there is an exclusivity clause, meaning that you're not allowed to upload content from Twitch elsewhere within 24 hours. So keep that in mind when you are exporting and publishing. If you are not affiliate or partner, you can publish right away. If you're not too keen on setting up a VOD archive, highlighting and exporting VODs yourself, if you have any trusted moderators, you can promote them to editors over on the Roles Manager on the Community tab. Click on them here and check the box Editor for them. After promoting your moderators to editors, they will now have access to the Edit Videos button, and they will now have access to export. It's a good idea to promote the same people who have manager roles on Twitch to have manager roles on YouTube as well. And that's all there is to the technical sides of setting up a YouTube archive channel. I'll leave all the design and stuff for banners and that you can figure out on your own. Good luck!